my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial in 4K. If you want to learn how I do my eyebrows daily, just keep on watching. And just an FYI, I'm not certified in makeup or anything like that, so don't judge me. This is just the way I do my eyebrows. What? Oh my. Oh my god. Hi guys, so here I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Angle Brush number 12. You can use any brush you prefer, doesn't really matter at this point. And here I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dead Brow Pomade in the color Ebony. Use any color that matches your hair color or eyebrow color, or any color you prefer. If you want blue eyebrows, go for it. And of course I dropped it. Here I'm brushing off my eyebrows. So I start brushing up the front. I brush up and then I go to the side. So brushing to the side right here and try to put the eyebrows basically the shape I want them to. And I'm doing the same thing to the other eyebrow, brushing up at the front and then going sideways at the center of the eyebrow all the way to the end. I'm picking up some product here and I try to clean up the brush a little bit just so I don't pick up too much of the product. I start at the center of the eyebrow and just try to put anything that's left in the eyebrow all the way to the end. I try to avoid the front of the eyebrow just to make it look more natural, and I keep doing that over and over until I'm satisfied with the look. I use the spoolie just to brush out any harsh lines in the eyebrow. Picking up more product and just building up the color. So now I'm picking up more product and doing the same thing to the other side. So start, like I said, at the center of the eyebrow all the way to the end. And honestly, this takes so much concentration, so just take your time, honestly. Eyebrows is probably one of my favorite things to do in my makeup routine. So here I'm just picking up product, brushing out just to make it look more natural, brushing all the way from the center to the end. And just try to keep doing this back and forth until you're satisfied with the look you got. Yep, don't do that. Craziness. Here I have a brush. Just use any brush that you prefer just to put your concealer and clean up your brows. Brows. Here I have the Tarte Shape Tape Medium TNCN Concealer. Yup, girl. So I'm just gonna be opening the concealer and try to clean up a little bit just so you don't pick up too much of the concealer when you're cleaning up your brows. Here I'm just gonna be picking up some product with the brush. And just start cleaning up your brows at the bottom. Be very careful. Whenever, at the beginning when I used to do my eyebrows, I always used to brush out the whole eyebrow with the concealer. You know how annoying that is? After you took so much time to use the brow pomade, you just like go over it with concealer. So just take your time and try to clean up any mistakes that you did at the beginning. And it was a little hard just because I had eyeshadows. I couldn't drag the concealer all the way down. So I'm just going to be taking my time here. Now I'm cleaning up the top of the eyebrow and just making the shape I want, making it more sharp. And of course I made a mistake. I put some concealer on the eyebrows, but just keep going. I will show you guys how I fix that at the end. So just try to blend out all that concealer on the brows. So just blending. And here I use my finger just to be a little faster. Honestly, it's better to use a brush, but very impatient. Here I'm fixing up the mistake I did at the beginning. So yeah, you just keep blending that concealer. Sometimes I see some concealer on those brows and that does not look good to me. But you know, do you? I don't really care. So there I'm picking up more product and I'm going to be doing the same thing to the other side. Just starting at the bottom and just making those brows look sharper. Just keep going and going, cleaning up those mistakes. If you make a mistake, sometimes I use my finger. That actually helps a lot if you go over the eyebrow. And yeah, so now I'm picking up product and starting at the top of the eyebrows. And then here's the blending part. I use my whole finger honestly to remove all that to be faster, but take your time using the concealer brush. And now I'm just going over back and forth. So I'm using this pulley to brush out those brows and see how I like them. Using more of the gel pomade. Brushing on the other side. Here I have the Gray Lash by Maybelline Clear Transparent Gel. This is I use so I could have the brow shape I want the whole day so they don't move around. So I try to pick up a little bit of the product. I don't like too much on my eyebrows. So I'm just trying to clean up the brush. So I usually start by brushing the front pieces of my on the eyebrow up and then to the side. And then I'm doing the same thing to the other eyebrow. Up and then to the side from the middle to the end. And yes, girl, there it goes. Those are the finished eyebrows. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and comment down below what you thought of this eyebrow tutorial or any video suggestions that you guys may have. Don't forget to click the bell down below so you don't miss anything that I post on here. And yes, so that is it. Let me know what you thought of these eyebrows right here. Yeah.